Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Manikrao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Basically, issues that are plaguing the state of Goa and the way corruption, unemployment, crimes against this BJP government and the way anti-people policies. We discussed generally what is happening in Goa, and Honorable President Kharge ji, Rahul ji and our GSO, KC Venugopal ji were present. We also discussed about strengthening the party at all the levels, district levels, booth levels, and the election preparedness was discussed and the way forward. So a lot of views were discussed and a lot of suggestions were given. It was quite a long meeting, and definitely in the interest of the state, the Congress party will move aggressively.
ओके. राहुल गांधी कडल्यान बीन कितें सजेशन्स आयल्या तुमकां गोंयान पार्टी स्ट्रॉंग करपाक जावं स्ट्रेंथनिंग?
No, definitely he was very minutely listening to everything that we were putting across, and definitely we have to coordinate with him on several issues, and he knew most of the issues that are plaguing the state. Unity malls now, ST reservations now, jobs in employment in the ST for ST. So all these more Goenkara issues, several other issues also plaguing the state: financial crisis, unemployment, corruption, land being the biggest issue, the way land is being converted, sold, Goa's carrying capacity. All these issues were discussed in detail.